Hello, and welcome back to Personal Finance Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to provide you with 10 ways to save money on groceries at Walmart. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for a free training to start an online business. Number 1. Shop at Walmart's Ad Match program to get the best deals on groceries. Save money by shopping at Walmart's Ad Match program. You can find almost any grocery item you need for a reasonable price, and if you see something cheaper elsewhere, Walmart will happily honor the difference. Number 2. Ask for a rain check if an advertised product is out of stock and unavailable for purchase. You might not know this, but there are ways that you can actually save money on your shopping. It's true! Retailers will typically give shoppers a rain check if any item they want to buy is out of stock and cannot be reordered in time for their purchase date. Number 3. Check with the customer service desk before you leave to see if they have any coupons that are not advertised. When you want to save money, it's a good idea to check with customer service first. The reps are usually happy to help and answer questions about any benefits that the company offers. Number 4. Buy seasonal produce when it goes on sale, such as apples in fall or berries in summer or spring. You can save money on produce by waiting for it to go on sale. You'll need to be patient, but your wallet will thank you. The best time to buy seasonal fruits and vegetables is when they are going on sale, because prices tend to drop more then. Just make sure that you're buying what's in season. It won't last as long. Number 5. Use the Walmart Savings Catcher app to get money back on purchases. Walmart has a Savings Catcher app that automatically checks your receipt and looks for lower prices in the market. If it finds one, you get refunded on the spot. Walmart has an awesome savings catcher where they'll do all your shopping and then give you money back if they find something cheaper at another store. It's like having two sets of eyes on everything you buy. Number 6. Shop with cash. You'll be less tempted to buy things you don't need if you're paying in cash. There are a lot of advantages to using cash instead of credit cards. For one, you can easily track how much money you spend, and this means less impulse buying. And if your card is ever lost or stolen, it could be a nightmare trying to cancel the account. Plus, when you use credit cards at checkout lines, there's often an added surcharge for the convenience of plastic. Save money by shopping with cash. There are so many benefits that come from using physical currency instead of swiping your card, like higher impulse control and no risk of theft or fraud. Number 7. Buy store brands instead of name brand products, and use coupons when possible. Hey, did you know that by buying store brands, you can save big bucks? Well, I'm not surprised. The store wants to make a buck too, so they're always looking for ways to cut their costs. They're trying to do things like buy cheaper ingredients or find somebody else who will be willing to give them a deal on the product, and that's how they end up being able to offer it at such low prices. So keep your eyes peeled when you walk through the grocery aisle, and try picking up some of those items with the pretty packaging, because chances are it'll be just as good as what's in the fancy name brand ones. Number 8. Compare prices between stores before making a purchase. It might not always be cheaper, but it's worth checking out. Studies have shown that the average person could save a lot of money by comparing prices between stores. For example, an article from the Associated Press showed that one person saved $6,000 over 10 years just by shopping around for a few months. Did you know? Saving on any purchase can make your wallet happy, but some people may not realize how much they can save if they compare prices. For example, in this article from the Associated Press, one woman saved $6,000 over 10 years just by shopping around for about 2 months. Number 9. Eat leftovers for lunch or dinner instead of buying something new every day. This can save up to $75 per month. Save money by cooking leftovers. You can save a lot of money by eating leftovers. I know it sounds gross, but at the end of each week, I always have to cook more than enough food for my family, so we usually just take some and put it in the fridge. We eat it throughout the week as snacks or lunch type things, which saves us from buying any extra groceries. Number 10. Get your groceries delivered. I can't believe how much time I've saved since getting groceries delivered. It's so convenient to have everything on my doorstep, and the food is always high quality. I love that I don't need to worry about impulse purchases now, because when it comes to a delivery service, you pay for what you order. Plus, there are no hidden fees or surprises at the end of the checkout process like with other grocery stores. Now you know 10 ways to save money on groceries at Walmart. Click the first link in the description for a free training to start a side hustle fast. If you found value out of this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.